Hello everyone, I'm Xiao. We came to Foshan. Foshan is an oldest hometown of Chinese Kung Fu, but also a big manufacturing city. Today, I will take you to see our innovative achievements and intelligent manufacturing non-traditional applications on the development of data economy. And later have a touch of all real Kung Fu, intelligent manufacturing. Let's take a look.
The first place that we visit today is our robot achievement exhibition hall. Huashu Robot is a brand of Wuhan Huazhong Numeric Control Company Limited, a brand which adheres to the principle of independence, self-reliance, self-employment, contributing to Chinese manufacturing. At present, we have mastered 4 core key parts of robots, and more than 80% of core components are developed by ourselves. We have 6 of more than 40 company robot products with more than 400 core robots technologies. We have the first international invention patents. In terms of innovative mechanical structure and control algorithms, we promote innovation and development on the rigidity and flexibility. Now we come to the second place, Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop of Huashu Robot. I'm at demand for cost-effective professional robots. For domestic manufacturing, Huashu Robot responded quickly. Through continued technological and product innovation, we focus on the development of specialized robots for subdivisions, innovative new structural robots, collaborative robots of industrial level and heavy-duty robots, and open terminal robot products for colleges and universities, realizing important substitution. Now, our annual production is about 10,000 seats of industrial robots and has successfully provided stable and reliable products for leading enterprises in 3C industry, home appliance, and kitchenware.
During the development, Huashu Robot pays great attention to the experience accumulation and intelligent upgrading of domestic manufacturing with robots and simple robots, helping the construction of more than 10 nation-level intelligent manufacturing demonstration factories and more than 100 prevention and ministerial-level intelligent manufacturing demonstration workshops, achieving high skills from this experience.
We are in a digital workshop for server models for high-end equipment such as robots. Through digital design and process simulation platform of server model, we transfer the demanding to product indicators, design documents, process normal with PLM, ERP, APS, WMS, MES, SCADA, and other software systems. The product design, process simulation, order placement, production plan, production execution, logistic operation, quality inspection, and data connection can be controlled completely, realizing interconnection of things and intelligent perception. Now we are in the Foshan Huashu Intelligent Manufacturing Public Training Center. With the urgent demand for transformational upgrading of domestic manufacturing and the rapid growth of robotics market, the quantity and quality of professional technical talents are undeniable. Keeping in mind the mission of training talents for all countries, Huashu Robot carried out school enterprises cooperation and established joint training base with multiple universities for postgraduate students. Huashu Robot has been designed as Guangdong postgraduate student joint training base, innovative training demonstration set, and pass the intelligent manufacturing skills to talents. The training center covers an area of more than 3,000 square meters and has invested more than 100 sets of industrial robots and other training equipment, focusing on the training of talents in the field of robotics and intelligent manufacturing, vocational skills identification. Now, we have given training for more than 5,000 talents for robotics technology. delivering continues a large number of healthcare talents for robotical industry. The tide of intelligent manufacturing is surging. We sincerely invited talents from all around the world to Huashu Robot for form the real kung fu of intelligent manufacturing. Huashu Robot equips Chinese intelligent manufacturing with advanced industry robot